Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to erase a flash drive on Mac. First, plug your flash drive into your computer, ensuring it is properly recognized. Then, navigate to your Applications folder, open the Utilities subfolder, and launch Disk Utility. Alternatively, use Spotlight Search by pressing Command and Spacebar, typing Disk Utility, and hitting Return. This application is your central hub for managing all connected storage devices. Carefully select your flash drive from the left sidebar within the Disk Utility window. It is crucial to identify the correct device to prevent accidentally deleting data from another storage unit. Once selected, click on the Erase button. A new dialog box will appear, prompting you to confirm your action. Double-check that you have chosen the right drive before proceeding with the erase operation. In the Erase dialog box, you will need to specify a new name for your flash drive, such as My New Drive. For the format, selecting XFAT offers excellent compatibility across both Mac and Windows computers, making your drive versatile. For the scheme, choose GUID Partition Map, which is the standard for Intel and Apple Silicon Macs. These selections ensure your drive functions optimally after the process. Once all options are set, click the Final Erase button to initiate the formatting. A progress bar will indicate the status, and this entire operation usually completes in under 60 seconds, depending on the drive size and type. When Disk Utility confirms the process is finished, click Done. Finally, drag the flash drive icon to the trash or right-click and select Eject before physically removing it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.